Hi, everybody. Welcome to our fourth week of SOC 105, Marriage and Family. This week we will be talking about families and socioeconomic inequality. I wanted to talk for a moment about the midterm exam. The class did fantastic on the exam. 83% was the class average. I have a practice that I follow when giving exams. I go over every question on an exam, and if there is one that over two-thirds of the class gets wrong, I throw it out and consider it a bad question. And I did find one question like that on the exam. It was the question that said, which sentence below represents the following statement? Family is socially constructed. Over 3/4 of the class got that one wrong. And so if you got it wrong, I went back and gave you the 2 points for it. And if you got it right, well, I gave you the 2 points too. So you got extra points. Before I go on, I did answer the first lecture quiz question, which is the class average for the midterm exam was 83%. This week, we have a few assignments. Obviously, there's a lecture and a lecture quiz. There's a response journal and a discussion board. I just wanted to advise you that next week's response journal includes an interview. And sorry, I spelled includes wrong. But the response journal includes an interview. And so you might want to take a look at the assignment this week to prepare you for setting up somebody to interview. I also wanted to let you know that the study guide for the final exam is now available. It is at the top of the modules page, and you can use that to help you guide your reading and studying for the final exam. The final exam only covers the material from weeks 4 through 6. And lastly, I wanted to let you know that all assignments, aside from lectures and lecture quizzes for the entire course through week 6, are now available. All right, that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.